ngaisola if a so tsene ka gate if a so tsene ka gate wela ha esamma o to thokofalela mahala o to hobalela mahala rata ra pushiwa rata ra hatiwa ino wela mrago batho ba go betla ona le ka security di phone di tjerwe batho ba lwele batho ba lositse yo.
Hello guys, so I was scrolling on TikTok and I came across the video Lusisi lo beka ku Shandesh One Woman Show, and we are complaining nje uthi the way izinto bezenzeka ngakhona lapha nje beku bad nje bengekho organized. Lento ayisho ukuthi bengekho organized, ama security bewashota, like bekunzima nokuthi bangene ngaphakathi bengena order nje yonke lento nje uya complainer, and under ivideo yakhe kunanama comments nje vele asupportayo ukuthi lento beyenzeka lapha nje bebangajabulanga ngayo. So enye comment lana ithi this show was unplanned, Chem. Can't believe ukuthi we lost our 24 black crowns for 400 and something due to people pushing us, and imagine my sister did her nails only to lose them all. Yo kusho ukuthi bekunzima ne, kodwa kunabanye abantu ngathi beba enjoy nje, abanye abantu ngathi ba enjoyile. So I guess there will always be two sides of the story, asas. So here's another comment supporting the previous one. So Lona Oti, she's telling the truth. I was there. But balobile byala ripushane sibaka ritsene rikwile shem. Ibile abaskena li tikiti but batseni mahala. Kusho ukuthi kunabantu abangene mahala lapha egate abaskena ngamatikiti. Yo. Kodwa noma kunjalo guys, I don't think it's fair ukuthi siblame uShandesh because naye une team le asebenzisana nayo, and angicabanga ukuthi beka zoyenza ngamabomu nje lento kanje, ngisho ukuthi beka ngafuni ukuthi kuyenzeke kanje, naye bekacabanga ukuthi maybe izinto sihamba ngendlela eright, asazi. Kodwa asimeleni ke yena asitshele ukuthi iside lakhe le story ukuthi wenzakaleni, because kunanabanye beba complain ngesound ukuthi isound bengazwakali mawusemuva le bongakwazi ukuyizwa, bekumele uzusondelele phambili, and beku impossible ukuthi usondelele phambili because bekugcwele abantu bebaphushana bekuyimess. So I guess event cool like ahlupha look like big events nje. The problem with big events, I guess it's hard to manage or to control the crowd, I guess.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.